Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to show you a new upcycle DIY that I just did using some old spaghetti jars. So I have turned this into this. Alright, if you're interested in seeing how I made this, then please keep watching. So the items I am going to be using today are of course my spaghetti jars. So of course you want them clean. So I went ahead and I cleaned a few of these because I just been saving them. Once I discovered that I can make things with them, I just have a whole like box of like glass jars. So I have that. Next you'll need a hot glue gun, some bling wrap, and I'll put a link in the description below of where I got this from. Some gems. You can get these from the Dollar Tree or Amazon. Again, I'll put a link below. You need some flowers. I got these from the Dollar Tree. And you'll need some scissors. All right, so let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is measure my bling wrap around my jar. And you can determine what position you want to place your bling wrap, but I'm going to just do maybe one or two places. And I'm going to actually do the top here because I kind of want to cover this jar area right here. Now you can add as many gemstones as you like. I believe this is probably about a bag and a half. Now I'm just going to add my bundle of flowers. You can add as many flowers as you like, but I'm just going to take this one bundle right here. Now another option is if you wanted to make this a little taller, you can also add a candlestick holder to the bottom. This right here. Now I do highly suggest using a stronger adhesive and not a hot glue gun, because the weight of this, I don't trust it with using hot glue. You can get this look right here if you use your candlestick holder, but again, I would use a strong adhesive in order to achieve that look. Okay, so here's the final look. This is my spaghetti sauce jar. Again, I've been throwing out spaghetti sauce jars forever, so now I am going to have to save these things so I can come up with different ways of upcycling them. So you can use whatever color flowers, you can change the way that, the way that you add the bling wrap. Maybe you wanted to do like vertical strips going down. So there's so many options that you can do with this. Now I'm going to show you what it looks like if I were to add the candlestick holder to the bottom. Okay, now here it is with the candlesticks attached to the bottom. Again, please make sure you use a strong adhesive for this, because the weight of these gemstones is it's really heavy, and the glue will not hold that. The hot glue will you'll end up finding this thing broken. So be sure to use something that's stronger. Alright guys, if you haven't checked out my other video where I did an upcycle of a chili jar, please check that out to see how I did that. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more videos like this, and check out my next videos on some other DIYs that I just recently did. Alright guys, I will talk to you in the next one. Take care.